Hi friends, today you need your My Alphabet Tracing book and a pencil. Make sure that you are sitting in a chair with your paper on the table. Go ahead and flip until you see capital N. You need to have a pencil. I have a marker so that you can see my writing. So for capital N, we are going to do a tall man down, diagonal in, almost like we were going to make an M, but then we're going to do another tall man down. So start at the top and go down, go back to the top and go diagonal, and then go back down. Sometimes it's easier for my friends if you do tall man down, and connect the corners. If you would like to trace capital N like that, you can. Or you can do tall man down, meet at this corner, diagonal down, and then another tall man down. But just remember that all of our letters go down. So we're gonna start at the top and we're gonna go down. Start at the top, go down, diagonal, and go down. Now let's trace in the next row. Tall man, diagonal, tall man. Or you can do tall man, diagonal. Tall man, diagonal. Tall man, diagonal, tall man. Whatever one makes sense to you. I'm okay with either one. Trace on those dotted lines. If you make a mistake, guess what? You get to erase. And you can try again. It's okay. All right, we're gonna trace capital N. Oops, see, look, I made a mistake and I got off my dotted line, but I don't have an eraser and I wrote in a marker, so I can't fix it. So that's why you're writing a pencil. Okay, so if you wanted to do tall man, then connect, that's how that looks. Tall man, diagonal, tall man, that's how that looks. Either one is fine. Let's do this row, tall man, diagonal, tall man. One more. And let's move to the next one, trace. And let's do tall man, diagonal. Tall man, diagonal. Tall man, diagonal. Tall man, diagonal. Two more. One more. All right, then we're going to trace the word noon and then write it. Whatever way the N makes sense to you. And then O-O-N. N-O-O, lowercase n. Then we're going to write the sentence, no, I will not. And we're not going to forget the period. So we're going to trace no, and then we're going to write it. N-O. N-O. I, tall man, top hat, and little shoes, will. W-I-L-L. W-I-L-L. And not. Lowercase n, O-T. Don't forget your period. N-O-T. When you are all finished with your page, it should look just like mine. And go ahead and take a picture of it and submit it on Canvas.